Alright, so we got both lights installed. It's daytime, so you can't really tell, but you can kind of see it's red down there. We also getting the banner put on right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all bits and pieces of everything. I got a whole rack of stuff that I actually put in the car. This is all Christmas stuff my brother got me. So shout out to you. I'm trying to put it all together now since I have time to do it. And yeah, so I don't think this is enough to do anything with, so I might actually put this in here and see what happens. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated. All right, so just an update. Missed it by a couple inches, but it's a little 99-cent mod. I might take out since it don't really go the whole way, or I might pull this out just a little. I don't know, but like I said, it was a gift, so why not go ahead and throw it in. But I mean, it looked cool to have like a red trim around it. It's cool or whatever. It'll match the lights and stuff. So a little 99-cent mod, easy to install. All you need is the little pick that it come with to stab it in there, and that's about it. After you get it in, you can kind of just roll it out. But yeah, that little gap right there is gonna irritate me. But I also got glow in the dark ones too. Not glow in the dark, but these light up. So I could replace the red with these and have it light up. But I think it might be the same issue. This don't even look long enough to even do that. So we'll see what I'm gonna do with these. I might install it today, maybe another day. Alright, y'all, so we just got it installed. Y'all see what it say, Pro Street Easy. I was gonna get it in white, but I thought red. You might as well go with the whole thing, red and black, red and black, red and black. You know, why add white and mess it up? So we gonna get it together, and then I got some nice plans to finish my wrap. So right now, like I said, it's a partially wrap because it's only half the car, or actually a part of the car, not really half the car. So I have more stuff planned for this. And then when I get my bumper situation sorted out, so when I get my bumpers, then we can switch it up. But that's my look for right now, man. We gotta get the wheels, and then we back in business, y'all. All right, so this is how it looks at nighttime. So we can change the color. We will keep it on red, but this is all I hooked up for right now until further notice. So yeah. Don't mind that noise. And then we can also change the mode, make it dim, flash, glow, and solid, I think. And then if I hook up the other modes, then I can make it do way more stuff like master music and stuff. But I ain't do it yet, so that's how it looks right now.